the import video box. Now Flash comes with a lot of ready-made skins that you can add to your videos. Drop down this box. Let's just do an example. There's ones that go over the video. Gives you a little preview there. That will obscure a bit of the video, unless you pick the ones that are under, and they sit down there. You can change the color by clicking the color box. Whoa, bright green. And just check through these, because you can get ones with full screen buttons. There you go. Full screen. Play, mute. Some are very cut down. You see, that's just a play and a mute button. And it gives you, I mean, the descriptions are pretty good. There you go, volume control. I think I prefer one that sits under the video. I don't want the video to be obscured by the controls. I think that's very good for the user. Okay, we have our skin. We've chosen how we're going to encode the video. So let's click next. Now it'll give us a little summation of what we've done. It says you have done entering the video settings. When you click finish, the following will happen. The video will be encoded at the same location as my QuickTime Movie is. It's also given us some information about you will need to copy cubes.flv, which will be the file it will produce. All the FLV files that are produced are named after the original files, just the extension is changed obviously. And you will need to copy cubes.flv to the web or Flash Media Server when you deploy your Flash Movie. Well, yes, you'll need to do that, because otherwise it won't show up. Now let's click finish, and the video starts to encode. And we should end up with a video smack bang in the middle of that page. There we go. There's our video with our very bright controls there. Now let's just do a little bit of customizing. Let's click that video in the center there on the video layer and go to Window, Component Inspector. This is using a component. It's using an FLV playback component, and we can customize that to a degree. As you can see, the information that comes up here. Got alignment, autoplay set to true. Now that's up to your own choice. You can have a video load and you may not want your bandwidth taken, so you might want to not have it automatically load and play. You might want user interaction to start that playing. So you can change that autoplay set to true, which means it will autoplay. By clicking there, dropping that down, you can set that to false. Key points, we want key points preview. By clicking this and clicking the little magnifying glass, you can preview the movie. Now what this does is you can scrub along here and just play that and pick a preview image, which is only displayed at authoring time, but it helps you if you're compositing a page and you want to see what the first frame of the video looks like, to give you an idea instead of just having that plain black screen. If you want to put together a design, it can be really helpful. However, remember that whatever image you scrub along and pick here won't be shown, you know, when it's previewed, when the site is actually live. It's only displayed at authoring time only. Let's click OK to that. See, now we can see what the video looks like there, which could be a help if we're designing around it and we wanted to make something similar to what the first frame or the video looks like. Go to Window, Component Inspector, and here we've got some other choices. Now don't worry if you picked a set of controls that you're not happy with, because if we look down here, we've got the skin name here, and then the value setting is the one that we've picked, skin underplay seek mute.swf. Click to the right of that and you'll get a little magnifying glass, and up will pop the select skin dialog box, and so you can change your mind. You may want this set or this set, and you can also change the color of the controls and click OK, and that will take effect. The source is set to cubes.flv. Yeah, we don't want to mess with that. And there's also one more little option there, which is, oop, lost the component inspector. Let's bring that back up. Is for skin auto hide. Now the controls that we've picked, if you select skin auto hide true by clicking there, let's just preview this, control and enter. You'll see the controls aren't there, but if we go over, they appear. Now I'd say, as we've got our video set not to autoplay, that's pretty annoying for the user to come along, the visitor to come along and think, well, what on earth's going on there? There's nothing moving and I can't see my controls until I do that, until I move over. So for usability, let's bring that up again. I would, in this instance, change that to false, because then if we preview it, at least